Is the analytics report complete?
Not yet, sir. It'll take about 2 days.
Okay, we'll meet then.
Meet a fresher who wanted to learn how to complete data analysis and visualization in minutes using ChatGPT Work and its powerful plugins.
Interesting. That report usually takes 2 days.
I know what you did. The analytics report and those visualizations you prepared in just a few minutes?
Using ChatGPT Work, attach the social media growth workbook and enter this prompt. Read the workbook and generate executive quality dashboards with insightful visualizations showing follower growth, engagement trends, platform comparisons, monthly views, watch time, and staff productivity. Select the most effective chart for each metric, highlight key trends, and explain the business insight behind every visualization. The prompt I used with the Data Analytics plugin is, analyze the attached workbook. Identify the fastest growing platform, the platform with the highest engagement, and the months with the greatest follower growth. Explain the top 3 factors contributing to this growth, then generate an executive summary with actionable recommendations. The analysis begins with a comprehensive executive summary that highlights the most important findings, key trends, and actionable recommendations derived from the workbook. Following the summary, ChatGPT Work automatically generates a series of professional visualizations, including line charts and bar charts, to present each metric in a clear and meaningful way. These charts showcase follower growth trends over time, engagement performance across platforms, monthly comparisons, and other key performance indicators. Each visualization is accompanied by detailed analysis, explaining what the data means, identifying patterns and outliers, and highlighting the factors contributing to growth. Another powerful plugin available in ChatGPT Work is the Computer plugin. With your explicit permission, it can securely access and interact with your computer to perform tasks on your behalf. In this demonstration, I have a file named to_do.txt stored in my downloads folder. The Computer plugin opens the Notepad file, reads all 3 to-do items, carefully follows the instructions provided by the user, executes each task in the specified order, and saves all generated files back to the downloads folder. This enables ChatGPT Work to automate multi-step workflows while keeping you in control through your approval. The to_do.txt file contains 3 tasks: summarize the SMG_executive_diagnostic document, research the top 10 premium sedan cars, and compare the top 10 desktop CPUs for AI video editing. The Computer plugin completes each task and saves the results in the downloads folder. Here are the outputs generated by the Computer plugin. It successfully completed all 3 tasks and created the files: SMG_executive_diagnostic_summary, top_10_sedan_cars, and top_10_AI CPUs. Each output was generated by following the instructions in the to_do.txt file and was automatically saved to the downloads folder for easy access. Another powerful ChatGPT Work plugin is Canva. I asked it to create a 7-day Instagram series about ChatGPT Work plugins, generating educational and visually engaging posts that showcase real plugin use cases. Canva responded by creating a sophisticated 7-day Instagram content series centered on ChatGPT Work plugins. Each post was professionally designed with eye-catching visuals, clean layouts, compelling headlines, and educational content that explains real-world plugin use cases in a simple and engaging way. The series maintains a consistent visual style, branding, and messaging across all 7 posts, making it perfect for a daily publishing schedule. Rather than designing each post manually, Canva automatically generated polished, ready-to-publish social media content tailored for creators, marketers, and business professionals, helping them understand and promote the practical benefits of ChatGPT Work plugins. These free ChatGPT Work plugins can automate your daily office and personal tasks. Try them out, and let me know your questions in the comments. Like, subscribe, and watch my next video on how I built a free AI video editing tool. Stay tuned.